Model, 69 plate Peugeot Boxer 2.335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 needs turbo body, white, panel van mileage, 99,883 MOT, the 24th of October 2024 engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts and runs fine, but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine is perfect. Clutch and gearbox are perfect, straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.